Continuing with the solve the puzzle series. This particular video is concentrating upon the imaginary case scenario to evaluate the Vikalpa Samprapti involved in the individual in the disease process. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching with the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you think about the solving the puzzle series, this particular series involves the identifying the Vikalpa Samprapti. The case scenario goes like this. A 45-year-old male individual is presented with breathlessness on doing the cycling on the morning of January month since one day. He is also having the pain in the left knee joint after doing the cycling for more than 60 minutes. In this particular situation, what might be the Vikalpa Samprapti involved in this particular case scenario? It is being mentioned, Samavetanami doshana vikalpo amshamsha kalpana. So, whenever we are going to analyze the Amsha and Amsha, or what we can say, the Guna that is being present in the or increase of the Guna present in the individual is actually deciding the Vikalpa Samprapti of an individual. As it is being the imaginary case scenario is concerned, so here we are going to observe the person is having the Vata dosha increase in the body. And the question arises, which particular dosha is being increased, which particular guna of the dosha is being increased based on the Vikalpa Samprapti. This is the identification which requires detailed discussion as such. Is it the Ruksha guna is increased? Or is it the Lagu guna is increased? Or is it the Shita guna is increased? Or is it the Chala guna is increased? Vishada guna is increased? Kara guna is increased? Is it more than 2 guna is being increased? That is going to decide the Vikalpa Samprapti of an individual. So when you are looking into this, analyze this based on the surroundings of the situation and give me the answer. Pause the video for a while and give the answer. The answer could be, there may be the possibility of Shita guna increase, Ruksha guna increase and Chala guna increase. The reason to say Shita guna increase is the person is doing the cycling in the month of January. So that is, see the surroundings, it is considered to be extreme cold situation. In that situation, we are going to say there may be a possibility of a Shita guna increase as such that may be observed in the body. And along with the Shita guna, there will be Ruksha guna increase we are going to observe. That means whenever a person is having the breathlessness, we are going to expect Shita and Ruksha guna increase in the body. Whereas the person is having the pain in the left knee joint, wherein this particular knee joint pain that is being aggravated on doing the cycling for more than 60 minutes. So that means there may be the possibility of a Chala guna increase in the body that has actually initiated the pain in the knee joint. Suppose if the person is having the irritation in the eye, we may say that there may be a possibility of the Shita guna increase in the, what do you say, that the eye region or periorbital region we are going to say. Thus, we can able to analyze Vikalpa Samprapti depending upon the details of the presenting complaint, where the person is developing the different, what do you say that the what do you say that aggravating and relieving factors related to that particular presenting complaint, we are going to decide the Vikalpa Samprapti. Dear ANA community, that is what we are going to discuss today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to see in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below, and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. That is what for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.